अब युवरान बताएगा. What is this?
Cow.
Cow. What does a cow do?
Moo.
Moo. Okay. Next page. चलो next page करेंगे. A1 2 next page. What is this? Huh?
Pig.
Pig. What does a pig do?
Oh, oh.
Oink oink. Okay. Very good boy. You've run. And what is this?
Chicken.
What is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. What does a chicken do?
Buck, buck.
Puck 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 puck. Okay. What is this? What is this?
Sheep.
Very good. What does a sheep do?
Oh, oh.
What does a sheep do? Meh. What does a sheep? Hmm. What is this?
Duck.
Duck. What does a duck do?
Cock.
Quack quack. Very good. बड़ा इंटेलिजेंट बेबी है ये. What is this?
Moo.
बो. उई, डर गई दादी, इतनी जोर से बोलते हो. And what is this?
Dog.
Dog. What does a dog do?
Moo.
And what does a cow do?
Moo.
And what does a horse do?
Nee.
Neigh. What does a pig do? Oink. And what does a donkey do? फिर से जोर से करो. What does a donkey do?
Ee.
Ee. Aw, very good.